Hello and welcome to my craft room. My name is Sue. I'm with S Creations Crafts, and today I'm going to be crafting all with my coffee. So I have this stamp set from a company called Brass and Bliss Craft Company, and they have a stamp set called All You Need Is Love, and it's all about these little cute little sloths. Oh, they're so cute. So I'm going to be coloring with them in my Ohu markers, but you can use any marker that you have. This is a great cling stamp set. So it didn't come with dies, or at least I didn't get dies if it does. But so I'm just going to go ahead and make a one layer card and just do it that way, nothing fancy. And some of the sayings, just in case you can't see it on the screen, is coffee, which is a noun, a magical liquid of freshly ground heaven and gold, served best in a giant mug. This one's funny. I like this. I don't need an inspirational quote. I need coffee. That's what I need in the morning. I don't need the thing that says today's going to be a great day. Just give me my coffee first. And the last one says the best things in life are coffee. Oh, and it does have that stamp that says all you need is love, and it's crossed out and says coffee. So there's that. All you need is love, coffee. So there's the stamp set from Brass and Bliss Craft Company. You may have known them as Rubbernecker back in the day, and they have rebranded themselves as Brass and Bliss. And I used to get all kinds of Rubbernecker stamps, so I really was very happy that they have rebranded and they have these cute stamp sets. So join me today and I will have my coffee, and so I may be crafting real fast, who knows? So join me as I make a card with this stamp set. So let's get started in the card. So the card I'm going to use, I have an A2 size card. So if in case you don't know, that's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And I have this is out of the Nina Solar White cardstock. Then I have from Gina K cardstock, her chocolate. And I cut this down to 4 1/4 by 5 3/8. And then with the Nina Solar White, I then cut another panel down, which is 4 by 5 1/4. I hope that's, yeah. I'll put the measurements down on the screen in case I mess that up, but that's the size of the card, and then I'll just stamp on here. So off camera, I went and I stamped the image out in Memento Rich Cocoa, and then I don't have a rainbow stencil, so I took a circle cut from my quilting and just made 2 lines to kind of fill in the rainbow. And now I'll just go ahead and color it with my red, yellow, purple, blue, all those good colors, and see how that goes. Hopefully you could see this okay. I probably won't get all the colors of the rainbow on here. So this is the Y4 Quince, the color. What's next on the rainbow, which is green. Spinning it around on you guys, sorry. So nothing like a handmade rainbow. So that was the color, just in case you are using the Ohu markers, that was vivid green. And the red was R6, which is called rose red. Yeah. So this one is called Tahitian blue. In case you haven't noticed before in my videos, I am far from perfect. I just love to craft and make cards. I am not perfect by any means. My cards are not perfect. I have flaws in them, but I still like making the cards. I still send them out. I just enjoy making cards, even though they're not perfect. I know the person getting the card still enjoys it, even though it's not perfect in the crafting world. I hope I can convey that across to you as my friends and my viewers, that even though I'm not showing you something that's perfect, I'm showing you something from my heart that I enjoy doing and showing you. I don't know what to say. This is not perfect. I'm just using this. I hope this is an inspiration to you of what you can do with the stamps and what you can do with your products. And, we're just going to go with the flow and have a good time. So, well, I really thank you for watching my video. If you enjoy these videos, please like and subscribe. I really do appreciate it. And I want to be able to help you get inspired in your craft room any way I can. So if you want to comment and let me know what kind of video you'd like to see, I'll see what I can do. But I really do appreciate you spending that time with me. It makes me happy knowing that you have taken time out of your day to watch little old me with a cup of coffee try to figure this all out. If you need more inspiration, yes, please check out Brass and Bliss Craft Company. I'll put their link down below, but they have all kinds of fun stamps that you can enjoy for inspiration. And I'm going to do this in the charcoal brown instead of black to kind of keep it in with the... So please, if you like these, please subscribe. I'd appreciate it. So let's see if that works. Now I have a stick from Judith Stamps. I haven't used these very much. They're like little... So I'm thinking it's like a coffee bean. It could be a jelly bean or a coffee bean. So I think I'm going to go ahead and just randomly put with the brown. That's called Craft. And I think I'll just, kind of like you would for stars. Yeah, something different. I think you're supposed to have odd numbers. I do. I just got this glue press from My Sweet Petunia, and I love it. Just so much easier for me to get the glue out, and it's always there when I need it. So there's a simple and easy card. Well, I hope you enjoyed that card. And please, if you can, like I said, like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Have a great day, and please get into your craft room as soon as you can. Thank you.